I'm starting a new project. It's a mantel clock, American, 1800. The original piece was built by Aaron Willard. It's a pretty tall mantel clock. It's over 3 feet tall. And I have got it pretty much detailed design. I want to start with this front piece here that has some veneer work on it. Some crotch mahogany in the middle here. So I want to just go ahead and see if I can lay that veneer down. There's some cross-banded stuff around the edge, and also these are separated by an ebony stringing. So I'll see how this goes. Here's the crotch mahogany that I'm planning to use here, and I need to get the hot hide glue down on there first. I'm gonna move this over while I put on the glue. And there's going to be quite a bit of glue involved here. I would like I should have had a bigger brush. I think this is gonna set up too quickly with a cool shop before I get a chance to get this glue on here. Now I also have to get the glue on the back face, here. I'm just gonna put that down there, and hopefully I can get this quickly on here. Probably should have just poured it on. I had to press this crotch mahogany because it was curled up a lot, out of shape, not flat. And so I pressed it for a couple days with some water and other chemicals in the, so that's pretty good. Let me see if I can now get that off of here. Oh jeez, that's terrible. That's terrible. Okay, all right. Now, let's see if I can get this. I may have to get out a hot iron to work this because it's just I'm taking too long to get the glue on here. Okay. Now let's see if I can use the veneer hammer here to get this down. Seems to be sticking pretty good, actually. I need to move this so I don't tilt so much. I need to warm that up on the edge here. Warm that up on the edge. See if I can get that to lay down on there. Yeah, that seems to be going down okay. Out here, I'm losing it. See if I can get that to... little piece that came out of there. Let's see if I can get that back in here. That didn't work so good. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to work the edges a little bit with the hot iron. Although it isn't that bad. There's a little loose area up here. I think this is salvageable. It's a little bit bigger than it needs to be, so I'm going to need to trim the edges where it needs to be cut off, and I need to do that before this glue totally dries. If there are any bubbles in this, I don't see to run into any bubbles in here. But if I do end up with some, and I can get out the iron and cut a little slice, put some more hot glue on it, and close up the bubble. I'm going to see if I can slice this off at the right place. It's 1 inch. I need a 1 inch boundary. Need a 1 inch boundary around here. So what I'm going to do is, there's a pencil mark for the 1 inch, and I see a pencil mark down here 1 inch. And I'm going to put this on here. Put that back on there. Let's see if that comes up here. Pretty good. There's one area right in here. Okay. Now, okay, I'm gonna put that in the glue pot. And I need to do that on the other three sides. And I think you get the idea here of how this is going to work. And then the cross-banded pieces will go on in here, and also some stringing in between.